Hi, fellas. How are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to make something a little different. We're gonna explore the forensic methods of the pen tester, of the ethical hacker, and we're gonna restore some data from the USB driver. In that case, we have one on pen drive inside here with 2.78 megabytes, and it's clean inside. We gonna paste three files inside there, and on one it's a PDF, confidence.pdf. It's the Bitcoin peer-to-peer of the Satoshi Nakamoto. We have one nude GPG. It's the something like a rocker, and the nudes.gpg, it's the Bitcoin image. Let's copy it to the USB, to the driver. Okay, it's inside the USB driver. Now we're gonna delete it. What we have here inside? We have the stuffs in binary mode inside the driver. It's right in bit to bit inside there, and we have one path which with the path we can access the files. But if we remove the path, we are just removing the access to the file, but it is inside yet when you just use the del command on your device. So in that way we can access the files, we can restore it. I'm using the VirtualBox with the Kali Linux. First of all, to access the driver, the USB file, you need to come to USB, and inside here you need to use the plus and insert where USB is connected. In my case, it's the PC TV system. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Open the Kali Linux. We are going to explore two tools to restore the data from file. In that case, the USB. We're gonna explore the scalpel and the foremost. The scalpel, it's inside the Kali. Okay, you no need to install it. It's already inside, but the foremost you need to install, and that's very easy to install. You just need to make the sudo apt install foremost. Okay, we have the driver inside here already. There is it, we have it inside. Let's create the backup pen drive. Now we're gonna copy the image of this driver, okay, with lsblk. We can access where it's mounted. It's mounted inside here, the SDB. So we need to use the sudo dd if the path SDB, the path where it's inside. Now it's the image we're gonna create it. Let's call it the disk.image, and BS we're gonna copy it with the velocity of the 4 megabytes and the status. Let's call it the progress Kali. We are gonna to create the image. It's like a backup of the pen driver, and now it's done. We have copied all the files, and it's copied bit by bit. Okay, yeah, we no need the path, like I said before. The path we're gonna access all the image with the escape. Let's use the first. We need to access the escape.conf to configure it, what we want to restore it. And in our case, we want to restore some images and the PDF. Have removed the hash here, the GPG and the PNG. You can remove all, but I'm gonna remove just what I would like to restore: the PDF and the text. Okay, Ctrl X. Now let's call the escape -C. We need to call the escape conf, so he gonna understand what he's going to restore. Let's create the folder. Let's call it the escape restore, and let's call the image the disk image. And there is it. It's done. That was very fast because the driver it's just 2.9 megabytes. Otherwise, if it were in giga scale or the tera scale, that would keep a while. And we have here the PDF restored. Okay, very nice. We have the image of the rocker, and we have another folder with the Bitcoin image. There is it. There is awesome. We have restored something we showed. We were thinking it's have gone, but there isn't. And with the foremost -t all -I and call the disk image, that will be the same thing but with the configured output image output folder. There is the file, it have restored as well, and the 2 image restored either. So there is it, fellas. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like it, thumbs up for more videos and subscribe. That's all for now.